how to download and set up TrustWallet in your iPhone. First up, open up the App Store in your iPhone by searching it up as shown on the screen. On the search bar, type up TrustWallet and search it up. Then you will see a bunch of results in your page. Click on the first one that says Trust, Crypto and Bitcoin. Here you will see the details about the app and scroll up and click on Get. This will then allow you to install the app to your device. Allow the necessary measures to install the app and wait for the app to be installed. This might take a few minutes to download. Once the app is downloaded, click on Open and open the app. The app might also take a few seconds to load. Then click on Get Started and you will have your access to your Trust Wallet. You will see lots of options, among which in the home page you can see a Create a New Wallet and Add Existing Wallet option. You can also see other options like Browser, Discover, Swap and Home. And this is how you can download and set up your Trust Wallet easily in your iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.